I'm Chuck at High Performance Distributors, and today I'm going to show you how to glue your tires, rubber or vinyl, onto a plastic model kit. This kit today that we're going to show is the Academy Hummer model, 135 scale, and we're going to get started. So first thing is first, the tools that you'll need. The box comes in two pieces. You'll have the main box in the container, and then you'll have your lid. Use your lid upside down as a container for anything you're going to throw away. That makes things nice and easy, nice and organized. Second, you'll need cutters. Cutters that are going to use today are the Master Tools cutters. They're sharp, easy to use, and they work really good. Also, IC2000 from Bob Smith. This is a type of super glue that cures black, and it's very rubber-like, so it'll actually blend in very well with vinyl or rubber tires. Now, getting into it, make sure your tires are matching. If they don't match, then there's other things we can do, but if they do match and if they look all the same, then you're good to go. Next, we want to make sure that we have the right household tools available. In this case, we're going to have a stirring stick, or a toothpick works as well, a paper towel, and a palette. In this case, we can use a piece of cardboard as your palette, and this is very important. Palette, stirring stick. Alright, now, grab the sprue. The sprue will contain your tires. So on this sprue there's 3 tires because one has already been assembled. Alright, from your sprue, you're going to grab your cutters and snip them. It's important to use cutters because this will reduce the amount of flash. Flash being the amount of excess unwanted plastic. Once the tire is cut, once the wheel is cut from your sprue, you want to check it to make sure that it is in proper dimensions and size as the others. If there's any deformities at this point, it's good to know. So far there are none, and that's good news. Next, you want to test fit the tire onto the wheel. Easy enough, you put the wheel on top of the tire and you push. That snap indicates that the wheel fits properly onto the tire. Glue is not necessary at this point, but if you wanted to, you could, and it's very easy to do so with this product and with these tools. To do so, we're going to lift the wheel from the tire so that you have a bit of a gap. As such, with a gap like that, you will then use the IC2000, which is a very thick type of adhesive. See how it looks when you pour it. Very thick. Very important, do not apply the glue directly to the tire. This is why we're using the palette and the stick. Once we have the stick onto the palette, we then apply it around the wheel. Once that's done, we push the wheel back into place. And we allow the adhesive to cure. That's about it. That's all that we need to do. Very simple procedure. The preparation is what is important.